Have you heard the saying? I really don't know if it's an African saying, but I'm African, so I say it. It says, a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. We tell ourselves that what we have in our hand has more value than what we could potentially receive. We tell ourselves that what we are protecting, our reputation, our ego, is of more value than any honor or any glory we can receive from God. And that fear of losing reputation, ego, standing, prevents us from dying to ourselves. And you will not believe the lies that we tell ourselves. The mental gymnastics that we engage in to defend our fear. We create a permission structure that really at the root is not touching the things that we are afraid of. But we make it sound so rational. We create formulations that will pass scrutiny. But God knows that you are not living by faith. You are living by fear. Simply because you do not want to take the risk of losing what you have and then maybe not getting what you want.